Everything that I could say would fade into insignificance compared with what my heart feels and your heart feels at this moment.
Heavenly divine, steadily shine. Icon the fucking hologram. Another sacrificial lamb, the dot at the hands, a hologram. Send them into the dungeon and bludgeon his fucking clan. Holy land, who spit the live shit, the do or die, Illadelph, Jedi mind shit, the hot shit. Live raps crack your jaw, like who's the Avenger and who's at the center of war. I left a scar, so your crabs would overstand. Mental danger would send you to a holy land. Lord, lower man, sharp blade slash your vitals. Recitals will fight you and entice you to burn Bibles. Homicidal, a hologram burn churches. Murders by sticking a crucifix through your cervix. Divine purpose for the Remy that's in my thermos. Brain is feeble, stick you with needles that's hypodermic. You heard the verdict, I'm with Allah cause he chose me. Broke into the Vatican, strangled the Pope with his rosary. Why? Jedi mind, heavenly divine, steadily shining 99. Why? Jedi mind, heavenly divine, steadily shining 99. Why? Jedi mind, heavenly divine, steadily shining 99. Why? Jedi mind, heavenly divine, steadily shining 99.
MCs face terror wherever my sound's audible. Man from third world portals, battle mortals and slaughter you. Seen inside the visions of beyond, the dwellings of the arm, existing in Islamic pantheon. Flows 5 degrees on my clothes, got the center trees. I lay back and blow sacks like Kenny G's. Power flash, whack on my path, devour fast. I leave you with the grain of sand and life's hourglass. The Bible spell, make demons rise out of hell. Grab you by your lapels and rob you of your outer shell. You fear the ill dire, Messiah and hellfire. I launch riders, put your jaw on a gauze wire. Jedi swordsman, your rap is a foul fortune. With science to contortion your body into a coffin. Insane damage is done, you fucking with the army. We beat the skull to the shape of a wet bag of laundry. What? Yeah.
Jedi mind, heavenly divine, steadily shining 99. 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 Yo, the gods are on me, the dramatizing.
You feel the poetic blow of the titans.
We like a fucking bolt of lightning.
The 3 wise men.
We get levels that defies men.
Watch out for fake heads, devil disguisemen.
Arriving from the dawn, we spawn with ill forms.
That'll leave you laying dead in the womb like stillborns.
The master Herod,
The ominous, the master spirit.
can't understand the language of rappers with bad lyrics.
I call him the python.
Rappers are left strangled
I overlook the earth cause I see it from sun's angle.
above the clouds.
We sit high and we daze. Write a page on how you enslaved to worldly ways.
Islamic marksman
Seeing the squadron
could be a fatal mistake.
like the first sins of Adam in the garden.
You feel sorrow, I'm projected as God Apollo.
Explore rhymes, you left too confused to follow.
Invite your town to absorb the sniper rounds.
Illadelph, Shambhala, niggas staying underground.
Jedi mind,
Motherfuckers.
heavenly divine.